Another one brand wash day with Innersense Organic Beauty Hair Care Products. Did I just sound like an infomercial? I did, didn't I? Well, it's because I am so excited about these products. I've been using these products for a very long time. About, let's say, a year and a half, and every time I use these products, I can noticeably feel an improvement in my hair. There's something about the formula and just how high quality the ingredients are that they use that my hair just absolutely loves. This is absolutely one of the best wash days I have had in a very long time, and if you're interested to see what products I used and exactly how I got these absolutely killer, shiny, glorious results, then just keep watching.
Hey there guys, welcome to my bathtub. I get asked often if I really do wash my hair upside down every single time I wash my hair, and the answer is yes. Yes, I do. It really helps my hair have some semblance of volume, and yeah, so there's that. I am just getting my hair nice and wet and ready for shampooing. I think I didn't have extremely dirty hair on this particular day, but it was definitely time to wash. So I'm grabbing the Innersense Organic Beauty Pure Harmony Hair Bath. They have, I think, 3 different shampoos. This one is just the Pure Harmony. It's a yellow color, and it is not super runny, but it's not thick either. I really do enjoy warming this up a bit in my hands before I apply it to my hair, kind of get that lather started. I find that with most shampoos that contain extremely gentle surfactants, which are Curly Girl approved, that they do better when you warm them up in your hands a bit. But you can really see that this shampoo foams beautifully. I absolutely love the way this stuff cleans my hair without overstripping it. My hair doesn't feel super squeaky when I'm done shampooing, but you can see I only shampoo the roots and then just pull the suds through the lengths of my hair. I never really cleanse the lengths of my hair because they don't get greasy or oily. That tends to be my biggest concern, whereas if there's a product buildup situation, I deal with that with a different method. Anyway, all right, just rinsing out that shampoo really well, making sure to scrub my scalp because that helps. And I'm going in with the Pure Harmony conditioner. This conditioner is so interesting to me. First off, it's really thick, really thick. So I grabbed 4 pumps, and I've got to say, I boo-booed when I first started using these products way back when. I would grab so much of these products, and you really don't need much at all. They are incredibly concentrated. So I just grabbed 4 pumps, and I am working that through my hair. I did a good finger detangle, and I'm grabbing my perfect hair care brush as per usual to finish distributing that conditioner to every single strand on my head. I do find that this conditioner has good slip, but that I have other conditioners in my cabinet that have more slip, that are like crazy slippery. This isn't the most crazy slippery conditioner ever. It's going to sound weird, but it actually reminds me of the texture of like body lotion. And here's the cool thing about this conditioner. It is one of those conditioners that I can really feel my hair soak up. So I'm doing the normal squish, stick, and dish process here. I added just a tiny bit of water to my hair to help my hair absorb this conditioner, and I'm really just scrunching and pulsing this into my hair to give it a chance to soak up the conditioner. And as I'm doing this, I am feeling the conditioner completely disappear. Now I'm just raking the hair off the back of my head so that I can turn my head from side to side, a little bit more water, and do some good squish to condish on that back part of my hair that I couldn't really reach while all my hair was completely combed forward. And for this particular video, I decided not to edit out quite so much of this process most of the time for the sake of your sanity. I do tend to edit this down quite a bit, but for the sake of this video, I thought I would chit chat with you about the products and go ahead and show you just how long I actually spend kind of scrunching my hair. These clips are sped up just a tiny bit, but not much. That way the video isn't 20 years long. Also, something that I've mentioned before in previous videos, but I haven't mentioned recently, is that if you wanted to, you could totally leave that conditioner in your hair while you finish doing other bath things. Clearly, I'm not in the bathtub right now, but you could totally leave it in your hair while you did other bath things and then rinse it out. So let's say you left that conditioner on for 5 minutes and then rinsed it out. That would give you added hydration benefits. All right, this is the Sweet Spirit Leave-In. It is a spray, and the spray is really fine, but I personally just spray it into my hand and then put it on my hair that way. That way I have really good control over where it is going. And yes, you saw that I only grabbed 5 sprays and that my hair is really soaking wet. When I apply my leave-in, that is when I kind of start organizing my curl clumps. So I've made sure to rake the hair off the back of my head, that my hair is soaking wet. And now I'm really pushing that hair away from my face with my brush. Not only does this help me part my hair so that when I flip right side up, I have really nice straight parts. It also keeps my hair from falling in my face constantly throughout the day because I do style upside down. I had so much water in my hair this day that I was really having to shake the curl clumps off the back of my head kind of violently. So I was standing up there and really shaking them off the back of my head. This happens to me when my hair is really hydrated, and I accredit that to the conditioner. I've actually been using the shampoo and conditioner and going product free quite often. So my hair is like super hydrated right now in a good way because these products are balanced. There's not too much protein or too much moisture. All right, I grabbed the I Create Volume, and on the bottle, it says increases manageability. Guys, this product is so weird. I'm treating it like a curl enhancer, but it is the slipperiest product I own. You want to talk about slip? I think I could finger detangle dry hair with this stuff. I mean, it's slicker than snot. Yes, can you tell I'm from the South? Anyway, I applied about half a teaspoon to the front of my hair, and now I'm making sure to apply about 1/4 teaspoon on each side to the back of my head. That helps me get a really even distribution. And you can also tell as I'm applying this product to my hair that it is really helping my curl clumps come together and help them be a little bit more enhanced. So really shaking the hair off the back of my head there. And you can kind of see that my clumps were a bit stringy when I came back down into frame. But as I scrunch in this product, it's like they turn into juicy wavelets all over again, which is fantastic. If you are really struggling with curl clumps in the back of your head, I recommend trying to begin shaking the curl clumps off the back of your head. It has been a game changer for me. All right, so I have thoroughly scrunched that into my hair, and I am going in with the I Create Hold Gel. This is another incredible product. As you can see, this one is way, way thicker than the I Create Volume. The I Create Volume was very runny, but the gel is so thick, I can't shake it off of my hands. So I just glaze that on my hair, and then I kind of rope it into the rest of my hair, kind of like squeeze my hair in 2 sections. Anyway, and then I begin squishing and pulsing this product in, and I really love this gel. This gel gives me good hold, good manageability. It doesn't make my hair feel super gritty and super textured like some hard hold gels will do, and it just, the hold and the shine it gives is just absolutely amazing. This is kind of one of those favorite products for me. And I have a hard time talking about it because it's not an inexpensive product, but you get what you pay for, right? Anyway, I am just squeezing 2 more pumps into my hand, and I'm going to work that into the back section of my hair. I put 4 pumps in the front, and just making sure to apply gel all over my hair. You can see how I'm turning my head from side to side and kind of almost swinging it from side to side. That helps those curl clumps from sticking to the back of my head and each other. Good definition, good times. All right, just rinsing that gel off my hands and check out these clumps. Wow.
Alrighty, I diffused my hair for 45 minutes today. It took a little longer than it normally does. And then finished air drying, and now I've got a really good cast for me. Like, well, I'm not finding any good pieces, but yeah, there you go. Like, my hair's got a good cast. I don't normally get one, but I did today. And now that my hair is 100% dry, I can scrunch out the crunch. The crunch being this kind of gel cast that formed on my hair. Maybe getting such a good gel cast is what contributed to my hair taking longer to dry. Like, longer to diffuse, to get it to that 90% dry mark that I really enjoy shooting for. And again, I have forgotten to grab anything to use to scrunch out the crunch with. Whoops. A lot of people use an oil or a silk scarf, and I just forgot. But this process of scrunching your hair again, once it's 100% dry, loosens up the curl and doesn't let your hair look crunchy, which is awesome. All right, there we go. Let's see about my part. Ooh, one more piece that's a little crunchy. There we go. All right, that was a cute little curl, yay! All right, and that is it for scrunching out the crunch. I will be back to show you how it wore throughout the day. But before I forget, I'm gonna turn around and show you the back. All right, now I'll be back to see you in a few, well, it won't be a few minutes for you. It'll be immediate. But for me, it'll be several hours. Okay, see you later. Well, I am back at the end of day one, and I have got to say, this has been one of the best wash days I've had in a long time. Let me go ahead and show you how it's holding up. Overall, I was absolutely thrilled with this wash day. Innersense organic beauty products have been some things that I have been using for a very long time while doing the curly girl method. And there's something really special about these products. I know they are pricey, I know they're on the higher end, but they are just incredibly high quality and absolutely worth the money. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!